Hi viewers, today this is part 4 of animal hunting. Where's the cat? Let's look for it. Cat's over there. Wait, there's water, that's why it went. Oh, there's water, there is it. Will it come? Oh, let's see. Where is it?
Let's go downstairs.
Oh, we don't go down here. Behind it. Are you ready to swim behind the cat?
Well, you come. I'm behind you. Let me sneak attack. Not actually attack.
Just a little bit.
It's
Sign away. Give me that. Just give me it so I can film it. What do you mean it's upside down?
Oh, it's walking. It's sitting. Now it's sitting. Come on. You alright? Should I give you some milk? Petty pets?
Our cousin came.
Hello. What's that?
That's a big cat. No, do not run. It just wanted to go away from you. Look, it's running away. All of you scared it by screaming, oh no.
Well, let's go. You're the one that says, I'm scared to go outside. So
Come
I
on.
came with you. Before I went to the bathroom.
I'm scared to go outside.
And we are outside.
Yeah, so I need someone to go. There's the cat under the wheel. Is there any more animals to picture? Woo! Climb up!
بس كنت أروح نحط واحد بالسلامة.
Where's the cat?
Up there.
Up, stop there! Stop the roof, you got it! And it's gone.
Oh. Let's go to my house.
No, we are filming.
Huh?
We are filming.
Okay. Video was 5 minutes?
No, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Let's go on that side.
Can you see if there's something here?
A leaf fell on. I was scared from a leaf.
Huh? Really hurts. There's dots on his neck.
Where?
Here.
It's a rash. What? I don't know. You're allergic to something. But Aboudi, before there was a melon tree.
Oh yeah.
Lemon, I mean. Big, so they know it's the lemons.
Yeah.
We found a bee in that side.
Not the balloon. No balloon.
Hey, goodbye, cat. See you next time. So, birds! No, I was trying to film you. We find birds. Good. This episode have a meaning. Birds. No one can be allergic to paper.
Yep. I knew that.
Oh, where's the bird?
Allergic to air.
What? What is this
maybe
brick
you're
up there in the
allergic to
house?
I can't go outside. I need to live in a tiny hole.
Tell me, a bird. Yes, I pictured two birds. Yes, this episode is finding a bird and bye bye cat.
Oh, I thought you said no. Wait, let's go explore that side. Come on.
I don't want to explore.
So much.
Do not itch it.
But it's itchy.
Do not.
I can't. We can find some more stuff over here.
What?
Maybe we can find the baby cat over here.
Who wants to film it? Me.
Me.
Both of you are not going there.
Why? Scaredy cat, scaredy cat. Who doesn't like the scaredy cat?
Do not film my face.
But looks like it. Well, let's check over here.
The roller skate graveyard.
The graveyard of roller skates.
There's even a bus.
My bicycle.
Oh.
I mean my skateboard.
What line? What? A bicycle.
It's not a bicycle.
You meant it's a zip zip.
Zip, zip.
You meant found a bee.
A bird died.
No.
A bee. Sorry.
Not from that.
You left in the car.
Let's go from that side now.
A bee.
Give me.
I know how.
From the front. Okay, we're going to start. This is a long episode of animal hunting.
Black. It's a fucking black.
There are baby cats.
They were big. I can't see. Pizza.
Come, that side we go.
Do a door now. What? Hey,
There are millions of flies over there.
should we check it out?
Yeah, we should go closer.
Yep.
I don't like flies. You don't like mosquitoes?
Yeah, let's go outside. It itches.
Let me
Hold it. Yeah, open.
Huh?
أنا بأكل من هم يدور.
يلا روح كلكم بيت يلا كل على البيت يلا
No, we.
سيارات يا عبود محمد ادخلوا جوا
Okay, we
كلكم
are.
جوا يلا كلكم
Wow, we are going inside.
روح البيت عندنا روح عند البيت يلا
This is a long episode. We are going that way, the wrong way, because we need to film no animals. So, how many new animals did we find? We found a bird. One.
We found one new animal.
That's a rooster.
A rooster. That's a rooster. Is this a rooster? Wait, what's a rooster?
Well, wait.
Oh,
You need to be silent.
Hey, I think there's cats over there.
Who wants to go there? Okay, we are going.
روح البيت يلا
Yes, run. A bird! No, it's fun.
We don't need to go in his house.
يلا
We are running. This is 9 minutes of animal hunting.
Wow. How are you doing that? Where's the cat?
The cat, remember? What's up there?
Yeah. Is it she now?
Second, I thought when I first saw it, I thought it was pee. Oh, what? Where? Buddy. You know the place to this house. You don't. you take us to tour. And
You never came over here.
I did.
You did. You never.
Yes, I came here. I write the time, my mom.
When we finish,
Ashraf picks me up from there.
and when we finish,
My
we're
driver.
going with Carla.
No, to the supermarket. What is this weird plant?
For real? That's a tree.
It's not a tree, it's a plane. Come on. That's the end of this episode. Good.
Not the plant.
Goodbye.